is my classroom today. Yes.
I teaches you to be more careful. Like that.
O pwede. Para tapos may covering sila. Na-open nila ang ang seed. Hello!
May dalawa.
Oo, gani. Pwede pa dulo pa may kasama silang quill, no? Parang quill. At kalikasan observe. Pwede pa ang kanilang ears. Kalikasan, mga endangered species sila. So may nakuha sila sa mountain o nasaktan sila.
Endangered na ba?
Family sa kaya yung kinukuha ng mga tao yun. So observe. Kita mo Ate Kali. Ate Kali is here. I know you can hear us. Come here.
Fair sila.
Follow here. Ano? Bakit siya
Okay, so this is a different part of there. Fun fact about it, that you know why it has spots? Not for design and something. It have a purpose, and it's also for design. But it have a purpose because they always run, so they don't have a home. But their home is in the bushes. The kids will go to the bushes and then lie down. For it's like the sun, the spots of the body. It's like the sun is flashing. See?
Picture.
Go. Close.
So, super close. I know you can hear us. The antler. Yan ang antler nila, oh.
See? Look at it. It's like the sun.
Ang color nila, like the sun. Yan sila.
And look at there. There's a fawn there. Come here, little fawn. Baby. Oh no, naiihi ang nanay. Look at that. That's first time to see a fawn. And it's so
How about the tatay? What do you call the tatay?
Roll?
Ate Kali is here. And then,
Ah.
Sige, pwede mong
Halika, sige, touch lang.
ano lang kasi pag bata, parang aggressive sila pag bata.
Oh, sige, ay, this is Ate Kali, ha?
Huwag mo lang i-ano.
Touch lang.
Hindi lang pag i-ano mo lang yun.
Ay, gusto niya matame ang kanyang big Ate Kali. Yeah, touch.
Pangimon pa ng isa kung ari lang ginaano ko.
Naselos daw siyang isa. Sige, hawa ka ba? Ate sa Ate Kali.
Yan.
Ay, it's like ano din.
Yan.
Ang cute. Isa pa daw, ang isa pa daw Ate Kali.
Ano lang, tama.
Gusto naman niya.
Oo.
Me too. Tinan mo Ate Kali. Me too.
O sige, diri okay.
Sa side Ate Kali.
Oo.
Oh, isa pa Ate Kali.
Oo. O sige. Yan. Yan kasi ang...
Wait, dito lang. Hornbill. Love you. Hornbill. That is
Ano na kasi...
Southern Rufous Hornbill.
Ako ang kapakaon sila eh.
Ayun na sila, oh.
Puro mga endanger ang ano rito, no?
Oo. Pero mga
parrot, endangered.
Thank you.
Ay, hindi. Pero meron.
Okay. Look at your finger. I don't know what's up. Ay, Onyx. Why Onyx Chloe sa'yo? Kiss. Tay.
Nag-away sila.
Bye, Ate Callie.
Ano tinatawag ko? Punta-punta ka rito. Tinatawag eh. Parang team sila, no? Gimana ko na.
Bakit tayo sa akin?
Hindi kasi na nagagalit siya dun sa isa.
Hindi mo. Sabi niya, sige, isa pa. Kainin mo po yung kamay na tikari. Ayan. Ako nga si Chloe.
Ayun na. Siya talaga si Chloe. Oh.
Nagalit.
Kakagat lang.
Okay, sabi niya, share na lang tayo.
Ikaw sa'yo, sa akin. Go! Bakit hindi sa akin? Go na. Oy! Oh, hoy, share sa akin naman. Share dito, ako dito. Hoy, don't eat me talaga ha. Don't swallow me. You almost swallowed me. Hoy, let's give them a turn. Hoy. Ano ka?
Nag-away na sila.
Ayan.
Eh, medyo malakas siya.
Ay, sakit. Ayan.
The road, the door, and the front.
Ito na eh. Meron kasi rito ng red do. Kaya na may parang bleed siya sa akin. Ito. Ito. Yun eh. Yun.
Kali kasi na in love sila. Ano na pa yun?
14 sila, 14.
Sabi niya, ay, meron akong nest. Pwede na tayong kumuha ng bahay.
Teka, magpigyan mo na ako.
Predators are smaller birds.
Oh, you're hi!
And banned for life at an early age.
Nest.
Right.
Observe the sound. Parang kayo sabi na ni Ma'am Lani.
Yan. Thank you, bleeding
Luzon,
heart.
bleeding heart, pigeon. Bleeding heart talaga ang heart niya. Tata, ito pa.
It's
Yellow
a
breasted fruit dove. Yung
Nana is a bleeding heart because it's like it's a heart that is bleeding.
Halika, sa tayo sa that is
Ito pa yung brown.
yellow breasted fruit dove.
That is yellow blessed fruit dove.
Breasted.
Breasted fruit dove. Good. Snake. A green snake. Oh! A green bird. A green snake. How many snakes do you have? So this is a green viper. So scary.
Diamond ang kanilang head. Sure.
Yeah, one more. Where's Auntie Vincent?
Isa kagat mo lang. Yung serve mo na
Hindi, ano lang yan,
Yung serve mo na.
Scorpion.
Viper, yung viper.
Is that the one that jumped at you?
Hindi.
What is the one that
Sabi naka-attack sila, Leo. I know that they can hear us. Ready to attack. Tinan mo, observe ang kanilang ulo. Poisonous ang kanilang ano. Ang kanilang...
This one has to be scary, but not scary for me. That's good. And it cannot even jump at us, you know why? It's so heavy. Can do it again, Dora?
Kasi ang color nila, mukhang Filipino.
This is the largest island in the Philippines. The Philippines Eagle Island.
Ako nga nagana mo ligaw. Sabi ng bata, oh, wala. Kasi na yan, oh. Oh, who's the ano? You protect me, you protect me. That's me tatay, that's me tatay.
Sabi, ang fun. Natatahagan. Ang tatay ko yan, ha?
Hindi ko, nagaganon yung lalaki ko.
Kuya. The Northwest. Christmas.
Could be slow because of that one egg. But yes, these are napagkat. Marami are
rare. I mean, can only be found here.
The
It's unique
Philippines.
and now they found here. In the Philippines, nakita duwa ka subspecies, kumbaga, isang leopard cat. So there's, ano lang nila nga size, similar lang sa house cats. We have spots that help with Visayas, and they can still be found in our sugarcane plantation. The scenery of Visayas have been turned into sugarcane plantations. So which is common in all owls. Specifically sa ito, kasi they belong to the family Tectonidae. Kasi sila yung mga heart-shaped face na owl. So, nakita mo talaga yung heart or parang apple yung shape ng owls, ng faces nila. Different ingredients.
Meron na silang ano.
So dito na transfer yung sana
Hirap.
fair na. Kasi it's critically endangered. Well, used to be critically endangered. Noong October last year, yung IUCN release, change nila yung kanilang status from critically endangered to endangered na lang.